Oh, it is a thong. Y'all, this is a thong. Like, it's gonna, wow. Leave my email here or my Instagram, either one, if you personally want to know the vendor. All right, so this is me unboxing. Oh, this is heavy. Oh man, new lip gloss tube I bought. I need to put this on something because it's really heavy. So, just right here. Okay. So, let's begin. Quite excited. I bought 100 of these, so. Patience. I love seeing my name on packages. It makes me very, very happy. All right, so let's cut it up. Let's get that done. Ooh, child. This is work, y'all. So. I didn't rip anything in there. Okay. I'm really struggling, you guys. Okay. So I need to go work out. I'm really fighting with this tape. Could have been. Oh, okay. I got cardboard everywhere in here, but that's fine. You just get a better look for you guys so you can really see these. So this is what this looks like right now. And I'm just going to take these off. Oh, yep. I'm so happy. Look at these. That applicator. You guys, I'm gonna make such pretty glosses with these. Yeah. These stoppers. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go wash all of these right away. Oh, and they put a little sample. Oh, this is pretty. Sample, but I don't like applicator tips like this. You see this? It's really hard to get a lot of gloss on, but this is pretty. They put a sample in here for me. I will definitely be repurchasing from them for sure. Oh, they come wrapped. Oh, okay. They're wrapped like this. Let's see. Okay. All right, so that was the first part of just like unboxing it, and now I'm gonna take them out of this. So they come like in. This is really quite. It makes sense. Yeah, they're individually wrapped. These glass. They're acrylic, so they're plastic. Oh, I love these, you guys. So this is. I have pretty small hands though, so that's pretty bad measurement, but it's my hand. This is how, I guess, long it is compared to my hand. Or this is my face. It's how long it is compared to my face. These are so pretty. These are so pretty. Very glad I got these. So I will be making glosses specifically for these tubes. I might put these in here because this is clear and the orange is gonna show. I don't know. But new gloss tubes. I would like to leave the vendor list here because I don't know. I hate when I'm like looking for something and somebody's like, oh, buy my vendor or pay $25 to find out who their vendor is. But no, I get it. It's money, you know? But if you contact me personally or just, well, how would you do that? I might leave my email here or my Instagram, either one, if you personally want to know the vendor. Like, come on. Like, these are the best lip gloss tubes I've ever seen. Like, they're just fun to even play with. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go wash these. So, come along with me as I wash these tubes. This when I'm just cleaning the tubes, and when I'm cleaning I'm cleaning after I've filled the tubes, so to get the greasiness off the tubes. Those guys are so fun. Look at this, it's so pretty. Can't wait to use these. It's gonna be so much fun. So I separated it. I took out the wand and separated it from the tube and the stopper, so the actual tube itself, it's by itself, getting cleaned, and the stopper and the wand tip are getting cleaned separate. This just makes it faster and easier, so you can separate it out and really wash them real good, you know. Bubbles. All right, so I finished washing the gloss in the tube, so I'm just letting them dry, and while I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna put on lip gloss. And then I'm going to open these swimsuits that are coming in from my boutique. So it does have a slight color. It's like really it smells so good. It smells like orange cream, you know that popsicle the orange cream popsicle, that's what it smells like. Just gonna keep adding more. Okay, so let's do that. Came in a detail just like this. Up. When I take, these are actually the samples, so I made sure to buy samples. That's what you gotta do if you're gonna run a business, especially a boutique, and make sure it's not just like a good picture of the product. You want to try it out, wear it, swim in it, whatever. A little, I don't know what that says, but come in a bag like this with the Ziploc. And this is the medium, size small. I got 2 different colors in 2 different sizes because I will be trying them on, my sister will be trying them on, and my friend will be trying it on. And for me, I know their sizes, but for me, I'm either small or medium. I don't know, definitely small on top, but the bottom. So let's open this white medium one. These swimsuits are so cute. I'll insert a picture of them, not of me wearing them. You guys are not gonna get that show for free, but so it's like a one shouldered type thing. Here, let me put it on, or put it on myself. one shoulder. Has like a little triangle design here. I'll insert the picture of the model wearing it. And it has a belt buckle in the back like this. And then the bottom, oh, you hear that? Also has like a similar belt buckle design. Oh. I'm trying to figure out how to, oh, it is a thong. Y'all, this is a thong, like, it's gone, wow. Yeah, I will definitely not be wearing this because my whole butt's gonna be out. But it comes with a buckle and they're so cute. Damn, this shit is like really there. Wow. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this little small inventory. That's it for this little small inventory kind of unboxing. I don't know what I just did, but I did something. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment anything you want down below. Please keep watching my videos. Click on the cards or the little boxes that pop up and watch the next videos in a series or in my other little things I do on YouTube. Thanks and bye.